channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly wig related content here, so if that is something you're interested in, this is the right channel for you. Today I have a wig review, and I'm going to set it up a little bit differently than I normally do because I want to add a couple more elements. But this is a wig from Bohemian Wig. I have a few that I have reviewed, but I've never reviewed this Brazilian secret line. Her name is Linda. It says that she has a shiftable part. I got her from Glamourtress for $30.45. It says real hair feel, tangle free, heat safe up to 377 degrees. Okay, and that's what she looks like. And I have her in the color TT1B8004. Let's get her. This is her right here. I mean, the color is stunning. I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace so that you can see how I'm cutting the lace. Usually how I cut the lace is I like to hold it from the actual lace. And then you can see that the light will shine through there, and you can see that knots end. So I go ahead and just cut it right along the knots. So I have the lace inside facing me. And I just work my way down until the lace is cut. And then once you get it on, you may need to cut a little bit more to customize it to your hairline. But we're cutting everything off that's from the knots back, so the stuff that doesn't have anything on it. So Miss Linda is a lace front wig. We just cut the lace off. There's her parting. She's got 2 combs in the front, sort of close to the parting. And then there's a comb in the back and adjustable straps. So let me adjust her and get her on, and then get her together, and then I will end with my final thoughts. See you in a minute. Easy lemon squeezy. Let me go into some pros and cons. Some pros is that this does have a bendable ear tabs. I love the texture. It's a light yucky texture. A con is the fact that yes, it does have bendable ear tabs, but the ear tabs come down pretty low, so theoretically it can be shifted, but she had it as like a super deep part, and I'm not sure that that would even be comfortable because of how the ear tabs are. So that would be my only criticism for that. I felt like it was pretty easy to get together. I would not say that this is a larger wig cap. It's probably an average size wig cap. She does really respond well to this round brush, which I absolutely love. The color is stunning. I will say a con is the fact that the coloring is sort of like older, where it's just like, oh, here's a piece of blonde, here's a dark root, and the root is a number 2 root. It's not super sombre in, which I would have thought it would be looking at the bottom part. It's just something to keep in mind as well. I'm getting a tiny bit of shedding, but I did cut some more of the lace off, so I don't know if that's lace, but I'm combing it in the back, and I'm getting a little bit of shedding, not a ton. The wig is really, really thick, so that could be a pro or a con. This is all the hair to the front. She's probably going to be in that 22-inch mark. 20, 22. I'm 5'6.5". Yeah, I'm getting a little bit of shedding. She's a thick wig. She's going to be a warm wig, so that's a pro or a con depending. Let's look at her from the back. I wonder if she would be a cute little... Oh, yeah. Ooh, look at that. Yeah. The movement is good. She's looking a little shiny here in my lights, but she's not shiny in real life. Movement is really, really pretty. I really, really like this wig. It didn't take too much to get together. Yeah, it's definitely, I'd actually almost say it might be a smaller wig cap. I'm gonna undo the strap in the back. Yeah, I almost can't have the straps on, so that means it's definitely a smaller wig cap. She's gonna tangle at this length, but it comes out very, very easily. I mean, I love this coloring. It's giving me some of the ones like that I love from Free Tress Equal, some of the older colorings. Not so much here, but down here, so I love that. That can be a pro or con to someone else. So, yeah, so far so good. I'm liking Linda. Like I said, she has a thick wig. This is all the hair to the front, but the luster's good, and the curl pattern is beautiful. Yeah, see, I don't know that you could wear her like that. That's too deep. So this is what Linda's giving you, okay? So if you have this wig, put down below your thoughts. If you have another wig from Bohemian that you would like me to review, go ahead and put that down below as well. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you are enjoying my channel, please consider sharing the channel as well. I really want to grow a bigger community here. We're doing so great. Community's great. Subbies are great. I just want to keep that going. And yeah, I appreciate you being here. I will see you in my next video. Bye.